Imagine this, a giant comet speeding through space, invisible, silent, unavoidable, until it hits the moon. Not a small crash, but an impact with a force that changes everything, not just on the moon, but also here, on Earth. The moon gets hit by small objects all the time, but this is different. This comet is miles wide, and moving at tens of thousands of miles per hour. When it hits, it releases energy that's bigger than almost any explosion in modern history. A giant crater is formed. Shock waves race across the moon's surface, and billions of tons of rock are thrown into space. Without an atmosphere, the moon has no protection. The impact sends debris flying everywhere. Some pieces escape into space, others are caught by Earth's gravity. And then a cosmic chain reaction begins. Let's see what the impact will be for our planet. Day 1. The cosmic flash. The comet hits the moon. On Earth, people see a bright flash of light. Even during the day, the impact can be seen. Scientists immediately record the event. This is no ordinary impact. Day 2. The invisible debris. The first pieces of debris reach Earth's neighborhood. Most are small, but extremely fast. An unusual number of meteors appear in the atmosphere. For the public, a spectacular meteor shower. For scientists, a serious alarm signal. Day 3. The first impact, smaller fragments begin to hit Earth. Most burn up, but some make it to the surface. Local impacts, shockwaves, fires.
Day 4. Satellite chaos. The space around Earth becomes filled with debris. Satellites are damaged or destroyed. Communication and navigation systems are disrupted. Day 5. Atmospheric disturbance. The constant stream of objects affects the atmosphere. Shockwaves and heat cause instability. People all over Earth notice the difference and see the effects of the impact. Day 6. A wounded moon. A giant new crater is visible on the moon, a scar that reminds us of the impact. Day 7. Heavier fragments. Larger pieces of debris reach Earth. Regional impacts with devastating consequences, tsunamis, explosions, damage, panic. Some groups start rioting, others claim this might be the end of days. Day 8. Climate effects. Begin dust and smoke build up in the atmosphere. Sunlight is partly blocked. Temperatures begin to drop. The situation on Earth starts to get worse and worse. Governments are struggling to keep people calm. Media are increasingly talking about whether this is the end. The situation has become unsustainable. Day 9. Weather chaos. Weather systems are disrupted. Unpredictable storms and temperature swings. All living things on Earth feel the effects, from the ocean to the polar bear in Antarctica. Day 10. Chain reactions, wildfires, air pollution, disruptions in ecosystems. Day 11. The aftermath. The debris stream slowly decreases, but the damage is permanent. Earth as we knew it is no more. Day 12 and beyond. Long-term consequences. Depending on impact intensity, climate change, ecological disruptions, structural damage. While this scenario is extreme, it shows how connected Earth and Moon truly are. An event on our natural satellite can have direct consequences for life here. Space is not a quiet void. It is a dynamic system where cosmic events are always possible. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and like if you enjoyed the video. Have a nice day.